Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Apple Pay is ready. Add and verify a card and wallet and enable Face ID or Touch ID. Once done, sign into Steam where you plan to buy desktop or mobile. You need a recent iOS and the Steam app updated so the payment sheet appears. Otherwise, Steam will fall back to other methods. Make sure billing address in wallet matches your Steam account to avoid declines. This reduces friction and speeds the checkout. You pick the game or wallet top-up and press checkout. At the payment options, tap Apple Pay if it isn't visible, update Steam or use Safari on iOS. You'll see the Apple Pay sheet. Confirm the card, shipping, and billing details. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or double-click the side button to authorize. If a mismatch appears, correct the address in wallet and retry. Addresses must align. This exact sequence ensures the tokenized payment transmits securely to Steam for processing. You authorize Apple Pay and wait for Steam's confirmation. Once approved, check your email for a receipt and verify the game in your library or the wallet balance. If Steam shows an error, first make sure you have network connectivity and that wallet has that card active. Next, toggle Apple Pay by removing then re-adding the card, restart Steam, and retry. If it still fails, contact your bank. Tokenization or merchant blocks are common reasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.